Well, it's been a little while since I've done a 360-degree tour of Giga Texas from the drone. So today I decided to do that since the conditions are perfect. So what you're going to see is a drone flying from the northeast corner all the way around the building at about 275 feet, which is approximately 90 meters in altitude. And this gives you a great and different perspective of Giga Texas as we fly around the site. So I hope that you enjoy these views. It does show you a lot about the south extension and how that's incorporated into the main building. So without further ado, here's the 360.